Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Safepal wallet. So once you are here inside your Safepal wallet, and even if you try to get the logout option by tapping on the earn tab here in the bottom right hand corner, or by tapping on the settings icon here in the top left hand corner of the screen, you will see that you are not going to find the logout option here, because not only in the Safepal wallet but in any of the wallets that you choose, you barely going to find any logout option. So if that's the case with you as well, simply just use the settings of your device in order to log out of your Safepal wallet. So once you are here inside the settings of your account, simply select apps, then tap on the option of manage app. Over here you can use the search bar in the top in order to search for Safepal wallet. So once you are inside the app info of the Safepal wallet, simply tap on the option of clear cache or clear all cache. So here in the data storage, you will find the option of clear data. So if you tap on the option of clear data, your application will remain in your phone, but you will be logged out of your Safepal wallet. Then when you open your Safepal wallet, you will see the welcome page, and then you can basically either create a new account or log in into it if you want. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.